Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Tinder. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on your device. And on the home page, tap your profile icon at the top left. On your profile page, tap Settings. Here, scroll down and tap Block Contacts. You can only block people if you know their name and phone number. So, if you want to block someone on your contact list, tap on their name. You can also select multiple contacts to block at once. Once you are done, tap Block Contacts. You can also block a contact by adding a new contact. So tap Block Contacts again and tap the add icon at the top right. Then enter the name of the contact you want to block and add their phone number and email. Tap Done. And that's how you block someone on Tinder. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.